Hello everyone, I'm Babak from Samira Pro Beauty. Are you tired of shaving every day or dealing with painful waxing? Today, I'll show you how the Candela GentleMax Pro laser hair removal device works and why Samira Pro Beauty uses this safe, effective technology. But why does Samira Pro Beauty choose the Candela GentleMax Pro? Because it combines two laser types, Alexandrite for lighter skin and YAG for darker skin. This means Samira Pro Beauty can help many clients no matter their skin tone. The device also has a cooling system for comfort, so treatments feel easier than older lasers. It's designed for all skin tones. It targets the hair roots, reducing future growth. The built-in cooling spray helps protect your skin so there's less discomfort, fewer ingrown hairs, and less irritation. Some people ask, why not IPL? IPL is intense pulse light, not a true laser. It uses a broad spectrum of light, so it may require more sessions and can be less precise. The Candela GentleMax Pro is a real laser, focusing energy on the hair follicle more effectively. Some people worry about infection or HPV risk. Don't worry. At Samira Pro Beauty, we change the headpiece when needed so it's personal and hygienic. The GentleMax Pro device is safe and has no risk for spreading HPV. We clean and follow strict protocols for every client. First, we clean the area and ask you to shave beforehand. Then we pick the correct laser setting for your skin tone, Alexandrite or YAG. We use the cooling spray to make it more comfortable. You feel a quick pulse of warmth. Each session can take a few minutes to an hour depending on the area size. Skipping sessions. You need multiple sessions. Hair grows in cycles, so we must treat each cycle. Tanning before treatment. Avoid sun or tanning beds. Tanned skin can be at risk of burns. Not sharing medical info. Tell us if you take medications or have conditions. Ignoring aftercare. Apply sunscreen or soothing creams. Don't forget this to avoid irritation. That's how the Candela GentleMax Pro laser hair removal device works and why Samira Pro Beauty trusts this technology. It's safe, effective, and customized for different skin tones. If you want to learn more about laser hair removal, permanent makeup, or our skincare rituals, please subscribe to our channel. Let's keep your skin looking and feeling amazing.